Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So this video is all about turning yourself from drab to fab in just 5 to 7 minutes. You only need 6 products and I chose my most favorite products in this video. So I just wanted to show you guys my quick makeup tutorial. If you are an office going lady or even for college girls, so you can definitely use this. So let's jump into the video. Okay guys, so first I see my blemishes, so this is what I wanna cover. So I'm using this my favorite concealer, Swiss Beauty concealer. So what I'm gonna do is put little bit of concealer and gonna put little bit of where I have redness on, and you can use your finger or brush. Here I'm using this Sigma brush and I'm going to start blending the concealer. This is little bit in high coverage, that's why I like this concealer for everyday use. And I'm using this on the cheek side so that it cancel out my darkness. This is my goal for everyday makeup look, and trust me guys, it literally takes 5 to 7 minutes. You don't need that much time. So here I am taking my stippling brush. You know why? Because there are some lines, patches of concealer. So I am blending this from my stippling brush. And then to lock it in, I am using Maybelline Fit Me Loose powder. I love this product. I have used this so many times. I highly recommend this powder. If you are looking for loose powder, I am using this brush and going in with this. Just place the powder, just patting the powder very gentle under your eye. Trust me, you're gonna out of the door in just 5 minutes, because I am explaining and I'm taking it slow to help you understand. That's why we are doing this step. We gonna move on to third product, which is for brows. I'm using this palette for brows, so pick any brows palette that works for you. I'm just naturally start filling up my brows. So I am done with that, and now I am not gonna put any eyeshadow. I am using this mascara, Maybelline Hyper Curl mascara. This is my go-to mascara ever. There are many mascaras in the market, so you can use whatever suits you best. It gives you instant lift. That's why I love this. Now we're gonna add little blush. I think blush is so important during the day, like if you are in an office, or you can say especially it just look good if you are giving any presentation or you have meetings to go to. It just looks very nice and healthy. Here I'm using this cream blush. It's so good. And then just go over with my beauty sponge. Applying blush looks like we putting some efforts. I'm not gonna crazy with contour, bronzer and highlighter. So for my lips, I'm using this Faces Canada lip shade, and the shade is Divine Move 17. Again, perfect for every day. So that is it guys, this is the final result, just using 6 products, and it's super simple. You can use your finger, you don't need lots of tools to create this look, and I love this makeup look in just 7 minutes. And if you want a quick makeup tutorial, so I think this is really nice one. You should definitely try this out, because you are not using so much products on your face and it looks so natural and glowy also. And if you think something is missing, so you can definitely add a minus that you prefer. This is my preferred go-to look, and I hope you enjoy watching this tutorial guys. Love you all, and I will see you in my next video.